Today we'll see why the file name should be same as that of class that has got main method. So we already know that command to compile a program is javac filename.java and command to run a program is java class name. Now there's a difference. The class name should be the one that has main method. So you can see to compile we are using file name and to execute we are using class name. So let us look with an example now. We are going to write a simple program again. So this is class test and now I'm going to write in again one more class, say rest, and in this I'm going to write in the main method. Now you can see that it is all complete. Now here I am going to print hello world system.out.println world. Closing the parentheses of name and closing the parentheses of class. Now we will try to save it with test.java. Now because we have saved it with the name test.java, so that means the file name is test. But we have two classes, so class names are test and rest. To compile we have to use the file name, that is javac filename.java. So we are going to write, for compiling this program we have to write javac test.java. And to execute it we are going to write java class name. Now the class should be same as that of main function, because execution of every Java program starts with main. So for executing it we are going to write java rest. Now you can understand, because we have given different names while compilation and different names at the time of execution, just to avoid this we should have to avoid using different names while compiling and execution. It is preferred that you should give the file a name that is same name that of class which has main method. Now we will try again, and this time we will give the name to the file, that is rest.java, because the class rest has got the main function. And then we will try to compile it and execute it. So you can see we have class test blank and we have class rest with main function. And here I'm going to print hello world. Now we'll save it with the name rest.java. Because It is saved with the file name rest.java. So we have to use for compilation Java C rest.java, and you can see we got two classes created, five codes generated, and for running it we are writing Java rest. So this is we got the execution output, that is hello world. Thank you.